Dear Serdar Gurbangulit, I am addressing to you with 10 video message as I have been forced to do so by the police department, the city prosecutor office, the province prosecutor office in Mari. I am Anvera Selbi I have been unable to obtain an independent and objective investigation of my claims from the law enforcement agencies. For the 9 years, I have previously requested an independent investigation with the involvement of independent experts in the fields of education and IT. 9 years of torment, persecution. Tell me what crime I committed and who will answer for this crime. After all, this is not isolated. There are thousands of illegally dismissed employees, and individuals like me becomes victims of a corrupt system. In 2015, dishonest employees at school number 5 in Mari purposefully created conditions for my dismissal from my job in order to receive support and financial benefits. If the law enforcement agencies themselves validability, they have done everything to avoid considering the case on its merits. And since then, they have been preventing me from working properly and monitoring me every move. What kind of laws are we talking about if the law enforcement officers aren't acting within the law? They don't introduce themselves, don't tell you their names or titles, don't introduce themselves, don't tell you their names or register your statement, don't provide you with a notification slip, don't respond to your statement, and they cover their tracks, falsely accusing you of everything. These facts are a clear indication. Wouldn't this data be considered a case of official misconduct where the perpetrators knowingly falsify official documents, provide false information, make correction, and distort the truth for their own benefit and that of third parties? However, not all the perpetrators have been held accountable, including the personnel department, Nipesevich, Orazov Guliyev, Orazov Gaipova, and others. They haven't disciplined for following the orders of the administration. Even so, they pushed me to commit an official crime. After my dismissal, in order to shut me up, the police in Mari have been committing atrocities and exerting pressure on me, preventing me from working under normal conditions and exerting physical and psychological pressure. When I refused to pay, they demanded that I resign from my position, claiming that they didn't need such an employee. Who want to show the real picture of the criminal situation in Mari region honestly and without any manipulation? Today I have 3 years of work experience at school and 6 years of harassment. Why don't the law enforcement agencies and officials only work against me, while they try to find loopholes and avoid responsibility for others? The department prosecutors and Hakim leagues are like private shop for them, where they can do whatever they want. The police tried to evict me from my own home when I called them. Anmuradov Yashmurat caused me bodily harm. An examination was conducted, but the case was given to Anmurat Yashmurat himself, and he is a person interested in removing and distorting the truth. And why the police at the railway station, Bekjanov, Chareyev, and Tachmuradov are sending me to court without any reason, take my personal belongings without any permission in order to gain financial benefits. And the perpetrators of this case are being removed and the facts are being distorted. Dear President, take concrete measures, restore justice, and raise all my appeals. I can provide everything in person as I am not sure that you are receiving accurate information. Let competent employees, in addition to the interested employees of the educational system and law enforcement agencies in the Mari region, conduct an investigation and establish all the facts of violations that are being concealed. in your speech. So you have stated that combating corruption is a major issue and employees should work honestly. However, in reality, honest employees are being oppressed and prevented from working, which I believe is a lack of action in the fight against corruption.